Hello everyone, we are going to see about layouts and components. First, implementing layout components for consistent UI. In Next.js, layout components are used to maintain a consistent structure or style across multiple pages. Layout components typically contain elements such as header, footer, navigation menus, and sidebar. By abstracting these common elements into a layout component, you can avoid duplicating code or ensure consistent UI across your application. First, I am going to create a folder called components, and I'm going to create a file layout.js. Inside it, I'm going to give a header hello all. In the layout, I'm going to give a prop called children, and then I'm going to create a main component. Inside that, I'm going to pass a prop children, and then I'm going to create a footer element. Here I'm going to give a copyright 2024. Next, we are going to see about creating reusable component in Next.js. Reusable components in Next.js are similar to regular React component and can be created in the components directory of your project. These components encapsulate UI element and functionality that can be reused across multiple pages. Reusable components can be simple like button or form input or complex like card components or data tables. Now I am going to create a reusable button component in Next.js. For that, in the component, I am going to create another file called button.js. Inside the button component, I am going to create a prop of on click, comma, children. Inside the return, and to give a button element and children. And inside the button, I am going to create on click equal to on click. Next, we are going to see about passing props to component and composing UI elements. Props, short for properties, allows you to pass data from parent component to a child component in React. In Next.js, you can pass props to components just like a regular React application. This enables you to customize the behavior and appearance of component based on the data passed through them. Now I am going to show you the example of passing props to a reusable button component and composing UI element. For this, I am going to go into pages inside index.js. inside written. I'm going to use layout. I'm importing layout and I'm going to give h1 tag welcome to next.js. P, this is the home page of our next.js application. Next I am going to call the button component and I am going to give click me and I am going to pass the props on click equal to, I am going to show you the alert and I am going to pass a message button clicked. If I say this, if I run this, for this I am going to give npm run dev. See, I am getting hello all, welcome to Next.js. This is the home page of our Next.js application and a button and a footer of copyright 24. If I click on this button, see I am getting the alert box button click. If I press OK, it will go. If I click again, see I am getting the alert box. In this example, we importing the layout component and the button component, passing a prop on click to a button component and composing UI elements within the layout component. Thank you.